Hello folks, it's Bill from One Bitty Bill. Today we're going to make potato chips. All you need is a potato, a little vinegar, half vinegar, half water, and some regular salt or sea salt in there. I'll just go ahead and peel your potato. Take your slicer. Slice your chips thin. You can make them thick or thin. We've got a thin version here, very thin. And put them in the vinegar water. You can also use a knife to slice them with. It's a little more difficult with the knife. This will get some of the starch out of the potato also. Okay, to rinse your potato first and then drop it in the vinegar water. And you want it to soak in there approximately 15 minutes. Then while that's soaking, we're going to go ahead and take a plate, a microwavable plate, and cover it with salt. Now we're going to pull the chips off, pat them, set them on the salt. Just pat them, get some of the extra moisture off, and lay them on the plate. Space them on your plate. Go ahead, put a layer of salt on the top of the chips. There you go. Now all we do is set them in the microwave for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. That's all there is to it. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. Okay, just to do a quick recap, we're doing salt and vinegar potato chips in the microwave. All you do is slice the potatoes, soak them in vinegar and water solution, take a microwavable plate, grease it, make sure you grease it, either Pam or some kind of oil, just light coating on it. Go ahead and sprinkle that with salt, lay your potatoes, sliced potatoes on there, salt it on the top, and then pop it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. Depending on how thick your potato is, you might even go a little longer than 3.5. Just till they start to turn a little brown, a little crisp on them. And that's all there's to it. Quick and easy in the kitchen. Let's see what the end results look like. Yeah. There you have it. Quick and easy potato chips. Microwave. Pour them out. After about approximately 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and put another batch in. Let's give them a try. Good vinegar taste. Salt. I actually had them in the microwave for about 3.5 minutes. Got a little color to them that way. Great chips. Enjoy.